Welcome to Ngoboten Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website on www.ngoboten-shop-i.co.za. Hey, tada. This is Ngoboten Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Sekhukhune United 0. My brother,
how are you, sir?
fine, thanks, and you, sir?
I'm good, sir. No, first of all, I want to thank, finally we got a good coach.
Yeah.
I saw even on Sunday, I was disagree with a lot of people when they say coach is a plum or some. We lost the game just because of silly mistake from the goalkeeping.
Yeah.
And then today, he rectified his mistake and then he do the right thing. I told my guys when we are coming to stadium, I said this lineup is very good. And then the other thing that Sekhukhune is just an area, man. It's an area, it's a Mapeli area, so we won't celebrate the big one, the big fish. The African champions that are coming.
Yeah, correct.
And then you cannot celebrate to beat Sekhukhune, golden arrows. They are still suffering. Let us donate them that SIM card and then focus on the big fish.
Yeah.
But the only thing that I want to add on our team, message for management, they must get the proper number 10.
Yeah.
Because we are struggling when every chestnut is not there. Maybe they can get 3 chestnuts, that's fine. But if chestnut is not there, there is no problem, number 10.
What about Bartman? Don't you think
Bartman is a good player, Marabati, still young, he's both physics. Physically, they push him, they chase him away easily, so we cannot rely on the young boy. We need a proper number 10 that can take shifts on his
shoulders,
on his shoulders. So going forward, not just a small boy. That guy, we are giving so many pressure on this youngsters. Yeah, we have to get experience number 10. Then after that, I can challenge for the big fish.
No, thank you. Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you so much. Yeah, finally this one is.
What is it? We don't just support Kaizer Chiefs. We love this team. Number one. Thanks, my brother.